Hi everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making Aidan Awesome potato chips. Remember guys, we're going to be making this into a chip. The ingredients that we're going to be using are white big potatoes, olive oil, pepper, salt, and guys, this is super simple. The items that we're going to be using are a mandolin helper since you don't want to cut your fingers and your hand like I did before. A knife, tongs to flip the chips, a heavy cutting board, a pan, which is so wet, a strainer, paper towels, a plate. The first step, guys, is taking the strainer and dumping all the potatoes inside. That's heavy, so heavy. We want to go over to the sink. Come with me, guys. Turn it on to hot water. Now, we want to cut the first potato in half. Remember, guys, safety first. Want to cut it in half. Guys, you hear that satisfying crunch? Ooh, I love that sound. Takes the mandolin. You only need one half right now. Put it back in the bowl. Takes the mandolin helper. Set it down. Takes the mandolin thing. Guys, I think we only need a smaller half right now. And guys, look how thin those are. It's a perfect slice. Guys, we finished with the first half. And look how many slices we already have. Look, guys, we have like, I don't know. I can't even count it. That's how much we have. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 already from one half, guys. Now, guys, we're going to go on to the second half. But now, first, to make room, we want to stack it up. Guys, look how thick that is. It could be like a potato sandwich. It looks like a burger. It's starting to get hard. We need to use the mandolin helper. And the last half. And guys, look at all those slices. Wow. I need a big bowl. Look how many slices there are. Guys, I think we need like another 2 quarters. Guys, God was really helping me on that. We only had 2 quarters left in the whole bottle. Guys, look at that. Now we want to dump in the salt. And guys, don't worry. Salt will eventually burn out. So it won't be so salty. And now guys, we're on pepper. Now we just want to make sure that's a good consistency and continue stirring. Now guys, we just want to move over with the heavy pan again. And guys, don't forget, you want to put it on medium heat because olive oil can burn. And guys, have a parent's help turning on the fire. We gotta wait for when we get a crust. Guys, look, we don't have a crust yet, but it looks good. Ooh, guys, we have our first finished potato chip. Guys, you see how it's moved in different directions? That means it's done. And guys, when it cools down, it'll get harder. And this one's done too. time to put them all in. Look, guys, now it's time to taste. I always need some ketchup when I taste it. You hear that perfect crunch? I have to fold mine in half, so I can have it in one bite. So good, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. I've been going for another one.